first day of the week. I will go back to work in a bit, but I wanted to tidy a bit my room and get myself a little bit of a snack as a breakfast. Yeah, today I was supposed to go to the office. The reason you probably already anticipated, I didn't wake up early enough to go. Because again, in my other office it was like 20 minutes, half an hour to my place. So if I woke up slightly late, I could go there quite quickly and fine. This one is like a travel. So if I don't wake up on the time I want to go, I'll just stay home. Time, and it means I'm gonna have to stay later at the office and then just come back home later, which I am not a fan of. So today I will just stay, do home office, and then hopefully by 5:30 or 6 I'll be done. I will do crochet, catch up on my mom's balaclava, which I still have not finished, and then I'll probably go before closing to the gym to work on. I will do, I think, more cardio than I usually do, and now yeah, just going to go back to work. Work is getting interesting. I like it. So as you know, I'm in my new role. I feel like now is going to be a month, like officially a month, yeah, that I am full time working there. And yeah, so I'm excited. I get like the project is starting finally, so that's pretty good and yeah, exciting. So follow me around. Lui, il aimait trop les bêtises. Faisait trop de bêtises. It's Wednesday evening, and I'm off to the gym. Today, we're gonna work on core and legs if the Smith machine is available. I want to try it out. So first, I'm trying to get accustomed to all the machines, and then I'm going to select down the road the ones I'm the most comfortable or the most efficient with, and yeah, and also I have a bunch of like vintage package to send, so I am on my merry way. So we are Thursday morning. Oh, why did I take that voice again? Hi. Today's Thursday morning, and today is, I think, a pretty chill day. So I just have work, and then probably just like editing or crocheting this evening. So it's just gonna be really chill. A little me time. I don't need to go to the office. I don't need to go to the gym. I don't need to go to the gym. I do this to myself. But yeah. Yeah, and I'm just gonna go and have a little casual morning. Today is the day where the reunion of Love is Blind Season 6 is going out, but I told Luca I'll wait for him to catch on the rest of the episodes. So I need to stay spoil free. My life is so like not interesting. I'm talking about work and I'm talking about love is mine. There you go. Something exciting happened yesterday. 17, my favorite K-pop group, are finally coming to Europe. Close enough for me to go. 17 is in the lineup for Lollapalooza Berlin. Guys, I bought a ticket to their concert 4 years ago because of COVID. It was cancelled. And since then, they have not come back to Europe. And this time is the first time they're close to me. They're in Berlin, guys. Berlin is 3 hours from me. 3 hours from me. So, I booked the ticket without even thinking about it. I just bought the ticket. Fit of the day. We're casual today. Casual Jessica. Hey guys, it's Friday, yay! AKA the last day of work for the week and the last day of workout for the week. And then I'm free if I manage. So as I told you on Wednesday, I did legs. I was doing relatively fine in the evening, and then I was doing pretty great throughout the day. But yesterday evening, muscle soreness just caught me, and now I'm in pain. I'm gonna attempt to do it, and if I can't even go down, then I would just try to do it either any day throughout the weekend, maybe when my muscles are not as painful. This is gonna be either super cool for me or super funny for whoever is watching. That's not happening, guys. I'm in pain. Yay, Sunday vibes out here. I am still kind of luck with my legs, still a bit swollen, but getting better. I struggle a bit less getting up and sitting down, but that allowed me to work on some of my crochet projects. So let me show you. First thing I finished is my mom balaclava, and then I remember there was this I forgot Miu Miu. I think it was the Miu Miu Bob bucket hat. So that was the inspiration. I don't know if you can see, and this is what I made for my little brother. I think it's quite similar, if I'm being honest with you guys. So this is what I done, and this is for my little brother. So I would just need to sew in the end with the color changing, and then I will send it to them tomorrow. Hello, it's Monday. Moving on. We already know how this goes. New week, new challenge. My challenge is morning home ab workout. Every morning, I have to take 8 minutes of my day, which is really nothing, to do. Who is texting me? My legs are still a bit sore from last week, but a little bit swollen in the middle, but I can move now. Showered, dressed, not fed though. I still need to make quickly my breakfast. But yeah, I have 10 minutes before my first call of the day, so I'm just gonna make myself a hot chocolate and drink some orange juice. The things we do for appearances. I could be lying on my couch and do nothing, but no. Let's go!